Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change background color on Instagram story. So let's open the Instagram here. You have to click on the plus icon and here you have to go to the story section. Just go to the upload and here I will select just go to the photo section, and if I select here and if I want to change the background color on Instagram story. So guys, if you want to change it, you on the top right side corner, you can see the three dots. Click on there, click on the draw, and here in the bottom, select your color, right? If I want this orange color, I will click and hold, and it will turn into orange. But guys, here the image has gone. So what I will do, I will just click on the smiley icon again, and here I will click on the plus, which I will able to select the photos. So here in this way, I can select the photos right now, right? So this is the very easiest way, and you can just select the background color in the Instagram story easily. So if you found this video really helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.